Hello students, welcome to the Click English channel. I'm Tutor Nick and this is my Better English course. In lesson 103 you are going to check your progress. The tasks are all about the last 6 lessons. Choose answer A, B or C. Write it down so that you can check at the end of the video. Complete the following sentences with a preposition. Complete with make or do. Write your answer so that you can check at the end of the video. Complete the missing words, write them down, and check your answers at the end of the video. Choose the correct adjective, then write it down and check at the end of the video.
How long are you going to stay in Italy? I think the party is going to be really fun this evening. He isn't going to look for a job until next year. I'm going to the cinema after class this evening. What time are you leaving tomorrow?
At 8 o'clock.
He's the man who lives next door to Alice. Is that the shop which sells Italian food? Have you made your bed?
No, I'm going to do it now. Has Anne arrived yet?
No, but she's on her way. We've already seen this film. Let's watch something else. Have you ever been to Africa?
No, never. When did you buy those shoes?
Last week. I've never worn this coat. It's too small. There's someone at the door. Can you go and open it, please? I don't want anything to eat, thanks. I'm not hungry. We arrived in Prague at 7:15. I'm coming! Wait for me! What did you ask for? Meat or fish?
Are you going to buy the flat?
I don't know. It depends on the price. How much did you pay for those shoes?
Do the shopping. Make a mistake. Do an exam. Do an exercise. Make a noise.
Dinner's ready. Please could you lay the table? I'll cook if you do the washing up. Where are the changing rooms? I want to try on this sweater. If you want to take something back to a shop, you need to have the receipt. These trainers don't fit me. They're too big. The flight to Berlin is now leaving from gate 12. If you have a lot of luggage, you can find a trolley over there. If you don't have a boarding pass, you need to go to the check-in desk. International flights depart from Terminal 2. There are lifts to the first and second floors. This exercise is really boring. I never feel relaxed the day before I go on holiday. It was a very exciting match. Jack is a bit depressed. He lost his job. Are you interested in art?